Hello guys, welcome to physics class with Flash Isaac. Today I'll be taking you through weight of things on Earth, Moon and Jupiter. Now, mass is the quantity of matter a body possesses. So every body or matter, they have what they call mass. However, weight is the earth pull on a body. So there is a force that pulls object down. That is gravity. When you throw this thing up, it tends to come down. In fact, everything that goes up or anything that goes up tends to come down. This is as a result of gravity. While mass is constant anywhere. If you take a 2 kg block to the moon, it will remain 2 kg. If you take it to Jupiter, it will remain 2 kg. If you take it on Earth, it is still 2 kg. So the mass of bodies is constant, it doesn't change. However, weight is not constant because weight is equals mass, which is this mass, times acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is different on Earth, Moon and Jupiter. On Earth, the acceleration due to gravity, we can take it to be 9.8 meter per second square, approximately. While in the moon, it is 1.6 meter per second square. On Jupiter, it is 24.79 meter per second square. So because of the variation in acceleration due to gravity, weight of objects are different in different places. For example, if weight is mass times acceleration due to gravity, when mass is 2 kg, if acceleration due to gravity is 1, for example, the weight of that object will simply be 2. If gravity is 10, the weight of the object will simply be 20 Newton, which is the unit of weight. So you see, gravity goes a long way to determine the weight of objects. Now, let's see, if mass of a physics textbook is 2 kg, a boy weighs 10 kg, iPhone 11 is 200 kg, and a bag of rice of 25 kg. So if you take mass of these objects to the on Earth and in the Moon and Jupiter, what will be their weight? What will they weigh? That's what we're about to go through today. Weight is equals mass times acceleration due to gravity. So if we take a physics textbook of 2 kg, on Earth, the weight will simply be 2 times 9.8. So while this is in kilogram, this is in meter per second square. On Moon, the weight will be 1.6 times 2, or better still, 2 times 1.6 Newton. In Jupiter, it will simply be 2 times 24.79. Now, the weight of a boy 10 kg, on Earth, weight is equals mg. On Earth, it will simply be 10 times 9.8. That's mass times acceleration due to gravity. On the Moon, it will simply be 10 times 1.6 Newton. On Jupiter, we'll have 10 times 24.79. Now, W is equals mg. iPhone 11, if iPhone 11 is 200 grams, now remember that we sub in kilogram. We have to convert this gram to kilogram. To convert from grams to kilogram, it is simply 200 grams over 1000. So this will simply give you 0.2 kg. So this is what we solve with, because the unit of weight is Newton, which is kilogram meter per second square. So here we see the iPhone 11 will be 0.2 times 9.8. You can also approximate acceleration due to gravity to 10 meters per second on Earth. Here will be 0.2 times 1.6. Here will be 0.2 times 24.79. And lastly, if a 25 gram of rice, on Earth it will be 25 kg rather times 9.8. On the moon it will be 25 kg times 1.6. On Jupiter it will be 25 kg times 24.79. So solving this, we have 2 times 9.8 will give you now you can see that a textbook of 2 kg on Earth, the weight will simply be 2 times 9.8. That's mass in kilogram, acceleration due to gravity in meter per second square, which is equals Newton. On Earth it will be 19.6 Newton, while the same physics textbook will weigh 3.2 Newton on the moon. Taking it to Jupiter, it will weigh 49.58 Newton. Now look at this. A 25 kg rice will weigh 245 Newton on Earth, 40 Newton in the moon, and 619.75 Newton. Same with other stuffs here. What does that tell you? Things are heavier on Jupiter than on Earth, and things are heavier on Earth than in the moon. So in the moon, things are lighter. So anything you can't really carry on Earth, you may be able to carry it in the moon. So that is it on weight of things on Earth versus moon and Jupiter. Hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to enjoy more amazing tutorials. Thank you.